How to enroll in overdraft protection with Regions Bank. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To enroll in Regions overdraft protection, you must first have or open an eligible Regions funding account such as a savings or money market or credit card. So you can basically enroll by visiting a Regions branch or calling the mentioned number, or by simply logging into your Regions online banking account and navigating to the customer service tab, and simply then select the option that is manage draft protection from the customer service option. There you can enroll any link or link your funding account and simply select the coverage for your checking account. So make sure to choose an eligible funding account from the drop down list, and simply your selection by selecting the green check mark to the right of the account will be saved. You just have to save that and allow 1 business days, and at least allow 1 business days for the coverage to take effect. So as I mentioned previously, the other way you can enroll is you can just visit a Regions branch in person or call the Regions customer support at 1-800-REGIONS. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.